All right, so that was a reaction we got from Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now we have more reactions pouring in on this big story from the national capital. Aam Aadmi Party is INDIA ally at the centre. Congress has also called out the party over the scheme and in fact has branded it a fake promise. Listen into this reaction coming in from Sandeep Dixit of the Grand Old Party.
जब इन्होंने कहा था करीबन महीने भर 15-20 दिन पहले कि 1000 रुपया प्रति माह भेजेंगे, तब भी हमने इस पे सवाल उठाए थे। तो एक तरीके से आप समझ लीजिए ये फ्रॉड है, जो आप टेबलों पे महिलाओं को बुला कर उनसे दस्तखत करवा रहे हैं। ये मुझे लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी का चुनाव के लिए डेटा इकट्ठा करने का एक हथकंडा है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Isha joining us on the broadcast more on this story. Isha, you were speaking with Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party, who tried to suggest that, when the announcement was made of these two schemes that are in question today, the, Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal had made it very clear that these are poll promises. But the question that the other side today, the BJP as well as the Congress is asking is that if it is indeed a poll promise, then why go to people with certain forms and get their names registered for the scheme that doesn't really exist?
Right, absolutely. In fact, the question that is coming to the fore once again is that will Aam Aadmi Party be actually able to deliver this promise like the last time? Because the last time as well, when the Aam Aadmi Party had promised 1,000 rupees for every woman in the national capital, that scheme could also not be implemented. And now, in a fresh blow, in a bigger blow to the Aam Aadmi Party, their own Department of the Health of the Delhi government has called out the schemes and said that these schemes may not be they may not be actually correct, and there actually may be fallacies involved in it. While we also spoke to the Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, he did mention that they will make sure that these schemes are implemented, but rather than answering questions about their own party and the fact that their own department is calling them out, he chose to hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party, stating that there are several schemes in Madhya Pradesh that have also not been implemented. So a lot of whataboutery when it comes to giving clarifications as well. And now we're also hearing that the BJP had been attacking them for a while, but now the Congress, we also did hear Sandeep Dixit, who will be contesting against Arvind Kejriwal, coming out and slamming the party, stating that these poll promises don't exactly last and they are just to lure the people of the national capital. But yes, extremely crucial months for the people of the national capital, and actually we will see if these schemes are actually implemented or they are just mere poll promises.
All right, Isha as well as Rishabh, appreciate both of you for joining us with all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you for on this big story from the